Assalamualaikum dear student, welcome to you on my channel named as Zafarullah Bhatti Lectures. Today I am discussing with you the important short question and long questions of chemistry class 12 and for the second annual examination. वो स्टूडेंट्स जो परेशान हैं और वो कहते हैं कि थोड़े दिनों में तैयारी करके मार्क्स अच्छे आएँ तो उनके लिए ये वीडियो लेकर आए हैं। बेटा ये आपने इन क्वेश्चंस को स्किप नहीं करना है, चाहे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है चाहे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है। तो आइए डिस्कस करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फॉलोइंग द ट्रेंड्स, जो ट्रेंड्स से 3 मार्क्स जो है वो आपके आएंगे। पहला है आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी, then second one is electron affinity, third one is melting point and boiling point, and fourth one is density, and five one is bond enthalpy of X2। फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो है फॉलोइंग रिएक्शंस आपने जो है वो याद करने हैं। उनमें से 3 मार्क्स जो है फ्रॉम ईच रिएक्शंस आ सकते हैं। ये है कि Mg then Cl2 will change into MgCl2 PCl5 with H2O। Second one is sodium P4I4 with O2। Then third one is Al and P4 with Cl2। Then reactions of amphoteric substances. Next one is the Al2O3 slash AlOH whole 3 with BeO slash BeOH whole 2, beryllium hydroxide. The origin of the flame colors, solubility and thermal stability trends, inert pair effects of the Fajan rule, why CCl4 doesn't undergo hydrolysis, how CO2 differs from SiO2, iodine is stronger radioactivity than the Br2 justify. Long questions. Reactions of oxides of period 3 and group 1A, how Be differs from other 2A elements, reactions of oxides of 4A, then chapter 14 D block elements. Why following groups are transition elements 1B, 2B, 3B, EC of copper, chromium, MCQ आ सकते हैं इससे। Next, reasons of showing variables of O.S and catalytic activity, difference between para, ferro and diamagnetic, name of the complex compounds, इनमें से 3 मार्क्स आ सकते हैं। फिर है डिफाइंड एंड गिव एग्जांपल्स ऑफ फॉलोइंग, सी ए, बी ligancy, सी coordination compounds. Then explain DD transition and examples of Ti plus 3. Next है vanadium as a catalyst in contact process. Long questions. Alloy formation, examples, uses and properties. Then types of ligands, then reaction of iron with copper with NaOH, NH3 and CO3. Chapter number 15, organic compounds. Differentiate between partial and total synthesis. Structure and uses of buckyballs. Define homologous series, give properties. Then deduction, test for the CS. Long question. Preparation of Lessigans solutions and detection of NS. Chapter 16, why alkanes are inert, reason लिखनी है इसकी। Tautomerism and metamerism with example. Next, optical isomers and examples of the tartaric acid. Then geometrical isomerism in cyclic compounds. Then relative stability of alkene. Then Markovnich's rule and reaction with HX. Next, hydration, halogenation, polymerization of alkene. Then differentiate between aromatic and acyclic hydrocarbons. Hydrogenation and hydration of alkyne. reaction of benzene in which it behaves as unsaturated and saturated. अनसेचुरेटेड में एडिशन रिएक्शन के तौर पर एक्ट करती है और सब्सटीट्यूशन में सॉरी सैचुरेटेड में एज ए सब्सटीट्यूशन रिएक्शन शो होती है. कन्वर्ट बेंजीन टू मैलिक एसिड, TNT trinitrotoluene and picric acid. Then why alkynes are more stable than alkenes? Long questions. Free radical mechanism of halogenation of alkane, cis trans isomerism, conditions, examples and stability, ozonolysis of alkenes, acidic reaction of alkynes, molecular orbital treatment or the resonance energy of benzene, then sulfonation of benzene with mechanism, then chapter 17 alkyl halides and amines, classification of alkyl halides, then preparation of RX from the alcohols, factors affecting the reactivity of alkyls RX, difference between SN1 and SN2, nature of solvent and effect of temperature on substitution versus elimination. Next, F. Grignard with aldehyde and ketone, then basicity of amines, then alkylation of amine, then preparation of diazonium salt. Long question. SN1 and E1 mechanism with evidence, then Grignard reagent with esters, then reactivity of alcohol, mechanism of alcohol condensation, oxidation of 1 knot, 2 knot and 3 knot alcohols, preparation of phenol, especially Dow's method, then Williamson synthesis, what is oxonium ion, how is it prepared? Long question. Differentiate between 1 knot, 2 knot and 3 knot alcohol, Lucas test. Then comparison of acidity of phenol, alcohol and carboxylic acid. Then aldehyde and ketones. Then Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene to form acetophenone and benzophenone. Why aldehydes are more reactive than ketones? Mechanism of base catalyzed nucleophilic addition reaction. Next, convert acetaldehyde to lactic acid. Then reaction with hydroxylamine 2,4-DNPH and alcohol. Next, Wolff-Kishner reduction and its importance. Next, examples 7.5, 7.6, 7.9 and 7.10. एक्सरसाइज प्रॉब्लम्स हैं 11, 16, 17. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन जो पूछे जा सकते हैं, एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन और कैनिज़ारोज रिएक्शन विद मैकेनिज्म, ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन्स, carboxylic acids, resonance structure and acidity, Grignard reagent with carbon dioxide and hydrolysis of cyanides, reaction with NH3 and soda lime, acid and base catalyzed hydrolysis of ester, reduction of amides and nitriles. Long question. Fischer esterification with mechanism, biochemistry. Then cyclic structure of alpha D glucose and fructose, classification of proteins, and how enzymes work, both models, enzyme inhibitors and their types, different types of differences between RNA and DNA, then biological importance of zinc, iron and phosphorus. Long question. Structure of protein, then saponification, hydrolysis and hardening of oils. Chapter 22 Industrial Chemistry. Define dye, chromophore, then write a note on azo dyes, then types of hair dyes and their methods of application, then miticides, herbicides and their types, repellents, classes of petrochemicals, then raw material of nail polish and nail polish remover, then long question, classification of dyes, A. Watt dyes, B. Mordant dyes, then synthetic polymers and their types. Chapter 23, Environmental Chemistry, conditions for oxidizing smoke, formation of acid rain and its adverse effects, then methods to control the automobile's pollution, then D. Alternatives of chlorofluorocarbons, then difference between soft and hard organics. Next, explain DO, BOD and COD. Then long questions. Destruction of ozone in stratosphere, difference between types of smokes, then analytical chemistry, then principles of the spectroscopy, types of IR regions, types of electronic transitions, then chemical shifts and TMS as reference in NMR, then difference between AES and AAS, then determination of relative atomic mass, then long questions. Determination of empirical and molecular formula, then numericals आपने करनी है especially. Then B is nuclear magnetic resonance with example or working of mass spectrometers and example.